Now in this video, I'm going to quickly give an overview of Cisco systems. Now Cisco is an American multinational company which is majorly responsible for developing, manufacturing and selling most of the networking and the hardware devices. Like here I got some links here which can be used as a reference for you. Like Cisco system, as I said, it's an American multinational company. You can find here headquartered in San Jose probably, and also you can see on the Cisco website it was founded by two of the computer scientists actually, and they started their first product in 1986. There is a big list of Cisco products or the Cisco devices like which are generally used in most of the enterprise networks, which includes routers and switches. Apart from that, Cisco also offers some of the security devices like firewalls, and even there is a big list of devices like WSA, ESA, IPS. There's a big list of security products which are used in securing your networks. Also, it offers some of the other devices which are used in data centers like UCS servers or some kind of unified computing or unified fabric or data center switching using some of the Nexus switches, and also used in voice and video over networks like collaboration. Generally we call it as like using IP phones or telepresence devices or different call center system devices. Cisco also deals with some other networking devices, which also includes some of the wireless devices like the access points or wireless LAN controllers, and also includes some of the broadband cable modems or some of the other devices which are generally used at the end users. Now here you can see there is a big list of devices, and that's what each track Cisco covers. Like you have different tracks for Cisco, which includes routing switching, mainly deals with routers and switches, and the service provider devices like ASR devices, 1000, 9000 series devices, which are most commonly used in a service provider network, and also security devices, and also collaboration devices. Like you have different levels of different tracks actually in Cisco certifications. Each track covers different specializations.